Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. Today, I am going to demonstrate on a Windows storage, how to clean your storage uh, to help your system run smoothly. Without any waste of time, I would like us to begin with the first step, which is first of all to check your storage usage. you know um, you have to be able to know the storage usage before you can even think of cleaning it. To know our storage usage, we can come to File Explorer and click on this PC. You see all the hard drives that are connected to your computer or laptop. So here we see, if you look here, you see the storage usage, you see the amount of space left, that is the free space. But if you want to see the statistics that show you use space and free space, simply right click here, take properties, and then use space is 222 gigabit and free space is 107 gigabit. And when you add all this, you will see the capacity. You can even see the chart there that shows you the free space, and this is the legend here that shows you what part represent the is represented on the chart. So without waste of time, we'll have to go to the next step, which is how to use our storage sense to benefit us when we are dealing with storage. So storage sense, you simply come to settings. While in settings, look for storage. So when you click on storage, you see on Windows gives you this option. It runs this analysis and give you a bird's eye view of the different portion of your storage and their capacity, If you want to see more options, simply click show more categories. So you see here, you can see everything that is in your system occupying space. If it's video, you'll be able to see it, so you can address that independently of any other space. So this is very important because it makes you to know exactly what you are dealing with. Here you see my temporary files occupy a lot of space of my from my system. I'll be deleting this, but I kept this so that you can have an idea of what I'm talking about. So this is temporary files. If I click here, I'll be able to decide to remove the files. Yeah, so you can also under temporary file, you have different options here. So you see that this most part that is occupying space in my temporary file is the download. You see, so if I click there, I'll be able to remove it. So you select what you want to remove, and you see the recycle bin here. You check all this, and you'll be able to see what exactly you want to remove, and what you don't want to remove, you leave it unchecked. Okay, so that being said, let's go back here. This is the option of storage sense, which means storage management. Okay, so with storage sense enable, you can click on this arrow here, and you'll be able to set some time frame limit that you want files to be deleted from your system. Run storage sense. When you want storage sense to run, you can choose if you want it to run every day, you can choose every day, every week, or every month, so that when it runs, it then perform what you want it to perform in keeping your system clean. You can delete files from your system or recycle bin by selecting the time frame you want it to delete. If you don't want any deletion, you can set it to never delete, and that is okay. So this is how you can view your storage, and this process also work very well for Windows 10, you know. Last but not the least, let's check our last option here is disk cleanup. So disk cleanup will allow us to clean up our disks on individual basis. So I come here, if I right click on my disk and take properties, I see disk cleanup, you know. So if I click on that, a window will open that will give me the different options. I simply check what I want to delete, say file to delete. So I come here, if I want to delete temporary file, I'll click there, recycle bin, and then I'll simply click OK, and that will help to, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? If I say yes, then it will go ahead and delete those files for me, you know. So I want to keep this video short, friend. I would like to see you again on my channel. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I will continue to bring to you more content so that we can share our knowledge together. Thank you so much, and I see you again.